Hello and welcome back to the channel. I just went out to through some secondhand stores, as I sometimes do, to see if there's anything I'd like to buy. And I found two pocket knives. This one was extremely cheap. That one also very cheap, but for the price I think that is way better than this. But I bought it anyway. Mostly because I need more cheap knives I can practice on when it comes to sharpening. This one was the cheapest one, 10 Danish crowns, and that one 25. Now there is one thing, or actually two things that are broken on this. The first thing is the tip, but that can be fixed. The other thing is that one. I don't think I can fix that though. The only way to do that I think is just to cut it off. I never use those anyway, but I'm probably not gonna do it. We have this little thing that should hold it in, and it doesn't do that well. Oh, and that is a little bit bent. I can fix that. Just straighten that out, and that should work. Now, except the cork pull thing here, and I actually don't know what that is, but I can't open it until I have straightened it. And the knife, and then we have this that I still don't know what it is. I have this on another knife, but I don't know what it is. You can see it's sharpened right there, but only on this side. And of course we have, this is very loose as well, but it doesn't just flop out like that does. We have a flat screwdriver and a bottle opener, and then of course we still have the knife. I will try to cut paper with both in a second. I just want to show the other one as well. This is a Valley. I never heard of this brand, but I have now. We have one of these cork things here, and I'm not sure about what that is. It could be a needle, I am not sure. I know some of these have something with holes like this, and that is used used as a needle. We have a what we call star-shaped, I think it is a Phillips in English, screwdriver, and I wonder what that is. It's not even sharp. Anyway, the last thing on this side, which I just locked up again, is a file, and this I guess is to clean your fingers, I'm not sure, or fingernails, but at least we have a file there. And then we have a can opener, and a bottle opener, and what I guess would be a flat screwdriver, but I don't think that is very good. Could be made to be good, but it isn't as it is. We have a pair of scissors, and I honestly don't know what that little hole or cut there on the top, what is that for? And I also wonder what this is for. I always thought it was a saw, but this is not very useful on this one. And whoops, then we have an actual saw, which I guess is fine. And then we have a knife, and this feels pretty sharp, but we'll see. I always have the opportunity to file them a little bit, or not file them, sharpen them. Alright, let's see how they cut. Only one piece, please. Come on. Alright, take this one first. Well, it does cut, but not very well. It cuts much better than this one, but I think it needs some stropping. But it doesn't slide off my fingernail. And okay, it does up there, but from the bottom and to about here, the blade is sharp enough that it doesn't go off my fingernail. And how long are blade? This is 6.8, probably a little bit shorter when I have fixed that tip there. And this one is 6.3. And the overall length of this one with the blade out is about 15 centimeters, and when it's closed it's about 9 centimeters. And this one, it is about 16 centimeters when it's fully open, and when it's closed it's about 9 centimeters as well. So that's the 2 new knives I got for my collection of knives. Thanks for watching.